Shit. What do we got on the back of this truck? Carbon fiber. Yep, carbon fiber. All right. Let's move up closer to the shop and get this stuff unloaded. Yeah, just like that, we're in the shop. Figured to open up the bay doors here, and parts are over there. It's just, I can't stop looking at it. Anyway, we got just about everything. Here's a forged carbon diffuser and a forged carbon deck lid for the Gt500. I mean, it looks nasty. Those look great. I am still waiting on a spoiler. We do have all the interior stuff, which is kind of like Dyna Performance 3M deal. Although this is from Zeta Composites, and it's all forged as well. Everything here is for the interior. Can't wait to get to that. But I am still waiting for the spoiler, so hope that comes soon. And then we have regular carbon for underneath the hood. I decided underneath the hood we're gonna do something like regular. I'm just gonna call this regular. But yeah, we got this, and we got more coming. So this is pretty dope. Everything's here. So let's just do the interior today, yeah? Let's see if we can knock out. All right, guys, maybe a little loud because we got the heater on. I am a little chilly, okay? Don't call me a puff, but anyway, let's dive into this. This is a simple, oh, it looks so nice. But yeah, it looks nice on the Gt500. Anyway, we do got to put those on as well next, but for now, let's just enjoy this. This is really simple, actually. Popping all these out, you got them around the whole front here. Carefully pull out the stock one, and then you put in the carbon fiber one, put all these back in. This is from Trufiber. And then I think I have two less, which I think are supposed to go here and here. But yeah, I ended up with two extra after I was done, which is usually never the thing that happens, right? I mean, anyway, this looks great. Let's dive into those. And voila, just like that, both tops are done. This side's done. This was so much easier than that one over there. That was a pain, but most likely because of my throttle body. But that's all right. These are pretty easy back here. Two clips back here. Well, you see them right there. Pop them up. Take off the, well, just take out the clips. Put this in and clip those back in. Good. This side was easy. This is looking nice. Oh, it looks really nice. And then over here was a pain. I still got to figure out how I'm going to get this side down all the way. It still wants to come up on me for some odd reason, even though I put it in the hole. That's what she said. And then it just seems to want to pop back out. I don't know. Yes, I know I have the screw off as well. I just put this in by itself. And once it's in there flat and level, I then put the screw in where it's supposed to, you know, but it don't. So I don't know. I'm going to figure that one out. But it's basically done. It's not going to go anywhere because this side is in. We'll go from there. I'll tackle that later. Let's shoot elsewhere. There we go. This is going to go behind here. So let's go get it. I didn't really, forgot to show you guys me just, you know, throwing it on there. It's really unique. But anyway, this was pretty easy too for me. All I do is kind of line up the bottom with these, you know, because these are spaces in between here. Obviously, these are all cut out in between, and then this is forged carbon in between here. This is very simple stuff to work with. You just gotta be patient, you know what I mean? Everything is just patience. It worked out pretty well. I just started out basically down here, making sure these big buttons here, the turn, you know, those get inside the actual areas that are cut open. And once those are in, I kind of just laid it all out. So, pretty easy. All right, next piece. In case you guys didn't know, I'm using a heat gun down here on these, just gonna heat these up because it's a little chilly and it is winter. It's not that cold in here, but I still want a good stick. So heat gun, I hit it lightly here as well. So both spots are I was gonna say cold, but both spots are warm. So here we go. I think it goes on, no, it goes on this way. So yeah. And here's that middle piece right here. We're gonna just, you know, get it in. And just like that, it's done. Well, we got a little gap over here, so we're gonna fix that too. And well, there you go. Getting there. Nice. And now we're gonna do this little piece right here, which is right here. You see how these corners sling down a little bit more and the uppers are well, you get it. It's kind of like more there. You can kind of match it all up. There you go. So let's put this one on. Ready? And boom. It's looking good. It's all coming together. Not bad. All right, guys, and we are going to knock out this side with a 3-piece deal, top, bottom, and the side here. So let's just do it. And just wow, it actually looks really good too. Oh, what a big difference. Well, that's basically it. We got little pieces. It says forged on them. So we'll go around and start plucking the little pieces here and there. But yes, this looks beautiful. It looks really nice. I wanted to do something different. Hopefully the forged carbon inside of a Gt500 looks different and maybe is kind of one of the first. I'm not sure. But I've seen a lot of regular carbon. My last car was carbon, and we're going to do this one with forged. So I think it looks good. Except for underneath the hood, we're going to try and keep that regular because it's really hard to find forged for that. So let's go. Well, we have a door one. So why not? Oh, it looks so good. Amazing. It's a beautiful car now. It's even better. Wouldn't be complete without the other door. So let's knock that out too. And boom. Wait, you already seen that. Boom. Well, that's good. Not bad. I think I gotta get this up here. Yeah, let's get that next. Actually, guys, we're gonna knock out this little circle around here, and this as well. So let's just do it right about now. And voila. Looks good. Not bad, not bad. Alright, today's the next day. I'm going to try and put this forged carbon rear diffuser on today. Deck lid for another day, because obviously we got to do some cutting and stuff, but diffuser time. Let's see, back this up a little. There's my daddy. Alright. My thing is, how am I going to get these out? I haven't even tried, so I have no idea. It's all new to me. Otherwise, there's like a clip up in here. There's this here. The rest of it looks easy. Yeah. Alright, well, it's just these two things I'm going to try and figure out. Alright, this right there, and this obviously on the side. Hell yeah. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. I did get these ones out here on the sides. And then right there. Figure this out. Get the other side out. Pretty easy. Just get in between here, pop that out. Looks a little loose, but it's not. It won't come out, obviously. Better get in here and pop this out, then pull the bottom piece here out. So I got a 2-piece deal. I got this on me. I can kind of show you an idea. There we go. So what I'm gonna do. Trying to see through my phone here. It's not working the best. But honestly, I got tools. This is just what I got to work with right now. There we go. Pop that one out, boys and girls. I'm such a pro. There we go. Not gonna find that. Now this one's loose. Getting there. Well, well, well. I got the diffuser a little loose down here, but what I'm actually gonna try and do is take this whole bumper off. I think it's gonna make it a lot easier to work on this diffuser, which means I'm taking the taillights out, 3 bolts or nuts, pull those off, pull these out, disconnect all electrical stuff. Well, you know, the headlight or taillights, and then I think there's one more for this down below. We'll get to it. Stay tuned. Well, I have it this way on there. Don't worry, it's fine. I just want to get to the back side of these diffuser parts. But yeah, never thought I'd be tearing my whole bumper off on this yet. There we go. Basically, all I did was the 2 clips down below, which are these 2 on the bottom here. There's 2, unbolt them. Take off the 3 screws on this side, which are these 3 right here. will be connected to this. Once you're done, you can see how this is in here, latched on this way. So from this side, you'll push it this way when all the screws are done. So push it in, and you'll pop that off. Once that's off, you can start taking this apart, kind of popping it out easily. Up here will be a little difficult, but it ain't too bad. Same thing for the other side. Once you're done, you can start kind of popping these out. So there's 4 here. Little plugins, you know what I mean? You get the point. It's kind of, the rest of it basically pops out. Then you're gonna have to, where is it? Right here. I unplugged this one here to pop out and go through here because it goes with the bumper, which is right here. So, I know, I believe the 13 and 14 GTs are a little different. I think you guys have like plugins over here and then one in the middle. I believe that's how you guys have it set up. Mine's all routed to 1, so very easy. I think now I'll be able to tackle this diffuser a lot easier having the whole bumper off. Let's get it. And here we are, just like that. We have some clips in the back here, as you can see, all the holes. Bumper's got some salt up in there. Not good, no bueno, but that's okay. We're getting this out, so. There we go, pulling out some clips. What should be these little white clips right here. Pull these all out. Now it's up to you guys if you want to keep, reuse your reflectors with the sports carbon. You're most likely going to have to drill holes and put these in. Me, per se, I'm going to do without them. So let's move on to the next route. I'm going to keep this diffuser just in case I ever want to go back to stock, but we definitely got to clean that up. All right, there we go. Basically, clipped right into the holes. Look at that. Yeah. Now, I know I don't do step-by-step, guys, but it's just hard for me to try to set up cameras, set up things, do things in the right areas so you can see nut and bolt. Like everything I do, I'm doing this alone. Like everything I do is content alone. I see a lot of creators have other people helping them and whatnot. I don't have that, so I'm literally here. My wife's at work. My kids right now are being watched by their grandma, which is my mother, to give me time to do this stuff for you. It's just content, stuff I'm doing in my car, stuff I enjoy. It's a passion of mine, and you guys are basically along for the ride. I try to show you guys the best I can. If you guys got questions, I will always do my best to answer all your questions. But yeah, I think this looks sick. It looks nice. Now it's all about putting it back together. The fun part. All right. Voila. Still got a couple more little bolts and things to do, but we are pretty much done. Just about. Man, that looks a lot better. And there we are. The finished product. A little dirty, but that's okay. Check that out. Dang, son. I love it. It looks great.